On the Expenses Other Sources form, you'll indicate any expenses that will occur in retirement outside of the government expenses, such as living expenses, mortgage, credit cards, auto loans, etc. If you say no, the rest of the reports will be very skewed, as it will seem there's a large windfall of income without any life expenses pitted against that income. If you would like to show living expenses, click yes. You'll be asked if you would like to assume that living expenses are roughly equal to your pay, meaning that you spend what you make. If you click yes, your salary at retirement will be added as the figure of your living expenses, but you'll still need to add a few details. If you say no, you'll have the opportunity to manually populate that information. And just like on previous forms with this same type of grid, please be sure you're tabbing your way through each field. You'll bring your cursor into the grid, manually enter a description, could be living expenses or whatever you like, the annual expense amount, any increases, and the start and stop age. After every expense entry, you'll get this pop-up reflecting the details of what you've just entered. Once again, just like on previous forms, this pop-up is really just for your eyes to make sure your entries look accurate. However, you're welcome to print this page here on this form, as it will not be available in the main reports section. Once you close the pop-up, you can either edit your data or add new expenses. You can keep the expenses as generic as you like and just add an annual aggregate living expense, or you can add as many detailed line items as you like. And just a reminder, those expenses must be entered as an annual figure. If you'd like to delete any line items, just click the X at the end of the row. Once you've entered all expenses from non-government sources, you'll see the Next button in the lower right corner. Upon clicking that button, not only will your data be saved to Google Drive, but you'll be taken to the next applicable form.